To grow kale indoors from seed, first fill a seed tray with a soil-free growth medium, such as perlite or vermiculite. Lightly mist or moisten the growth medium with water. Put 2 to 3 kale seeds in each compartment in the tray and cover them with another 0.5 inches, 1.3 centimeters of the growth medium. Mist the medium again if it feels dry. Cover the seed tray with a plastic bag and set it in a warm location, such as on top of your refrigerator. Over the next 4 weeks, check the seeds regularly and mist the tray again if the growth medium starts to dry out. Once the seeds start to sprout, transfer them to individual pots that are at least 12 inches, 30 centimeters wide by 12 inches, 30 centimeters deep. Make sure the pots have drainage holes in the bottom. Fill the pots with growth medium and make a hole in the medium that's just deep enough to cover the roots of the seedling. Gently remove each seedling from its tray and place it in a pot. Then fill in the space around the roots with growth medium. Water the plants just enough so that the soil feels moist, but not sopping wet. Place the pots in a spot where they will get at least partial sun for 4 hours out of the day. A south-facing window is ideal. Try to maintain a temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, in the space where you keep the kale plants. As your kale plants start to reach maturity, prune away older leaves near the base of the stem every few days. Most kale plants mature in about 55 to 65 days.